Happy President's Day, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Just getting the YouTube channel set up. Kind of waking up myself, actually. Oh, man. Hope y'all are still sleeping. Oh, man, and not here this morning. You're actually in bed enjoying your day off. I hope some of you have the day off. Oh, man. All right, Tommy Toodles. Let's see what we got. Hope y'all had a great weekend. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. Let's see. Good morning. Got TikTok going. Let me see who's over there. Good morning, Mitchell, Melissa Ann. All right. Wow. Morning, everybody on YouTube and TikTok. Oh, happy President's Day. I think that's, they have so many holidays. I don't even care at this point. At any rate, we're looking at the only safety trade system. Let's see, the only trading system in the world that is United States of America trademark patent. Let's see, it's not applied for its actual registration number. This, to me, safety trade system itself, class 41, amazing what all it covers. Yes, we're using I forgot to tell you, not only do I use this VPN, but then I use a VPN from the VPN of the computer we're in. So actually, it's double VPN. That's just for people who think they're silly and know something about stuff, which they know nothing. So anyhow, so not only is it single VPN, I go through a VPN through a VPN. Yeah, just fun stuff. Good morning, Sergio. Good morning, Zocker. Good morning. Let's see what's going on over here. I am not a financial advisor. Never have been, never claimed to be, don't want to be. Please type yes if you understand this disclaimer right here. No one associated with the channel is a financial advisor. I'm not one. I am just a social media influencer, blah, blah, blah. Read it on over, pause the video. Please visit my store. It has a bunch of overpriced, great quality stuff there. I do wear all all my different things proudly. Hey, Sergio, what's up, buddy? No trades active at the moment. My last several, I don't know, 20, 30, 25 trades. Times of the trades, what I trade, size I trade, times in, times out. Stop losses are actually take profits, except for this case. Oh, that trade right there, I actually did lose. This trade that shows 1,600, I was up like 7,000 or 8,000. I wasn't paying attention to the trade, and this one I actually left home on. This one actually turned into this one. I don't know. Ended up making good money. So those are different trades, whatever. In this account, I currently have no trades open now, 0. What's up, C Boogie? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't say finish saying my good mornings. All right. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Y'all should be asleep enjoying your freaking federal holiday. Good morning, Ted. Yes, the markets are Forex markets are open. The stock exchange will be closed. There's not going to be a lot of volume today, most likely. But we don't need volume. I'm just saying, it's kind of like a normal December trade there. So nice and slow. There won't be, I don't believe, any huge spikes, but it doesn't matter. Our system calls it out anyway. So. Good morning, Ted Parker. Good morning, Clayton De Sosa. Good morning, Martin Griffiths. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning, Estee. Good morning, Joe Dixon. Good morning, Darren Roberts. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Jam. Fly to the Sky, Flyowski. Good morning, George Hyde. Well, someone's already doing something? Whoa, why was that? Please don't, Riddell's comment should not have been blocked. Don't do that again. It wasn't that weird. Good morning, George Hyde. Good morning, Nasty Nate. Good morning, Bradley. Good morning, JTF Sticks. Good morning, Raider Trader. What's up, Ori? All right. So I think we got the good mornings out of the way for the most part. I hope I didn't miss anyone. Oh, fuck, am I tired. Had a great weekend. Slept good. Just tired as fuck. So stop. What is this? 15-minute to the blue line, NAS. Yeah. Ricochet. Sell stop to the blue line, NAS. US 30. 1 hour buy stop. They're all 1 hour buy stops. 15-minute sell NAS SPX. US 30. Buy stops all 3 1 hour 4 hours. Didn't I put that in there? Hold on. 15-minute buy stops. No. It's a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Well, you know what it is. I'll look back on this in a second. Let me see the 1 minutes really quick. Let's see. All right, let me get it here real quick. Let me check something out real quick on the H&H. US 30 is above. Is that right? NAS and SPX are under. Let's take a look at a 5 minute US 30 real quick and see what we shall see. A minute. Dun, 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 okay. Oh, let's bring this back down there. Let's swing over 5 minutes over here. Go over to US 3. What a mess. Woo, there's some choppy waters right there. I'm going to go ahead and call out everything. We'll get to everything else later. All right. Let me call everything out. We'll come back. Gold, 1 minute. One minute, 5 minute buy, stop gold. 15 minute buy, stop. 15 minute, 30 minute. Oh, look at there. I didn't see. How cute is that? We're in a 1 hour sell stop. It's going to arch back up now, come back to the line on the 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. You're just too late for it. Daily buy, stop gold. Matter of factly, hold on a second. Yeah, I like that. Let me see something. So daily, weekly buy stop. How low is it right now? Interesting. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Fine, I'll come back to it in a little bit. I'm going to write that down. Love the 1 hour, 4 hour buy. I'm sorry, the daily, weekly buy stop gold. A lot, actually. I'll probably go get a few options in that too. Now that I'm computer. Okay, that's gold. EUR USD, which is the opposite of USD chef, USD CHF, so whatever I call for ER USD is the opposite. 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line. 5 minute buy stop, forming a 5 minute buy stop. forming a 15. I would play any 1 minute. Well, I'd play any 5-minute, 15-minute buy stops to the 30-minute blue line, EUR USD. 1 hour morning builder boss. I just want to say to you, I'm tired. I do. I am. Good morning, Gladys. Good morning, Greg. Good morning, Joanna. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Brian Claus. 15-minute. Well, we're doing it right now. EUR USD. Buy stop. Thank you, JTFX, for asking them to give a thumbs up. Good morning, Tony Atwood. Good morning, Anthony. Good morning, Mike Snyder. All right. Let's see. Jan seeing a 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Definitely. 15-minute, 1 hour. Yeah, I agree with her assessment. 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop, EUR USD. 4 hour daily. 4 hour sell stop, daily buy stop, weekly sell stop, EUR USD to the monthly blue line, EUR USD. GBB JPY. 1 minute. I don't know. Looks like a nice buy to me. GBP JPY. Why do you say the whole name? Because when I first started trading, people would say EU, GY, whatever. I had no idea what they were talking about. So they say the full name of the symbol we trade to help anyone that's a beginner understand it. That's why I say the full name. 1 minute buy, 5-minute buy, 15, 30. This thing's been on a tear for like a fucking year. 1 hour, kind of late on. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. That's all I'm calling. All right, Bitcoin. Or as my best friend in New York City, Sean, loves to call it, shitcoin. Well, it used to. Shitcoin. He ended up making like 80,000 off of one of them. He's a nut. All right, 1 minute. Buy. Hold on. Bitcoin. Bitcoin and Ethereum run together, ride together. We'll be coming out with a little scanner for those maybe in 6 months. It takes fucking forever. You guys only knew what me and Keith did over the weekend. While Bree's busy answering all your emails and doing all the technical work for your Discord, while she's doing everything that you guys ask and do, as long as it's nicely. She does that over the weekend too, by the way. Then there's Keith and I, who spent probably in 2 days, 20 hours, 30 hours. I have no idea. I know one day, yesterday, we spent nearly 10 hours straight on the phone, going back and forth, getting the Holy Grail trade code tweaked up. So yeah, on Sunday, on a holiday weekend, Keith and I spent 10 hours. Well, I spent more than that. I was up from 4 o'clock yesterday working on the code for the Holy Grail trade. You guys have no clue of what it takes to code something. We'll go over that too. We'll get to that in a minute. Anywho, Bitcoin, 1 minute buy stop. Bitcoin, 5-minute buy stop. Bitcoin, kind of late, 15-minute already occurred. 30-minute already occurred. You're kind of in the middle of it. I mean, look how easy it is to spot these things. Jiminy Christmas, low blue, pink cross, green, red, green, buy stop. You could have gotten a buy stop here. Look at how many times it's formed a buy stop. I don't understand. You could have wrote it from 49,000 to 52, 3,000. You could have saw Buy stops we were calling in May of last year when it was at 26,500. Literally doubled its money since we started calling buys. Anywho, Bitcoin daily buy, weekly sell, monthly buy Bitcoin. Ethereum, 1 minute. I mean, it was a buy. 5 minutes, a little. Ethereum, a little long in the tooth. Look at this, 15-minute buy. Look, what the flying fuck? Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, broken back, buy stop. How many times you want to beat the horse? There they are. Why don't you own it? Well, I do own a little Bitcoin. Oh, why don't you own Ethereum? I don't like it as much. Why don't you own XRP? I own a good, well, not a good bit, about $4,000 of Ethereum. You guys want me to buy every fucking thing on earth? 1 hour, 4 hour, no, it's a buy, but it's too late. Daily, look at the daily buy. What the fuck is wrong with people? What can't you see? Let me show you on your charts. Hold on. I know I got to get back over the trade and getting these calls out, but look at this shit. Would you please? Look at this shit. We're going to go to Bitcoin. And then we're going to go to Ethereum. And for the love of God, for all that you guys hold dear and holy, look at what you see on Bitcoin and tell me that there's not some, that you guys aren't as, please tell me that everyone out there, whether you have the system or not, just tell me that you can see these buy stops. Look at this shit. What do you? Okay, because it's daily, the blue line doesn't go as far down. I get that. Pink line did. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop Ethereum. Daily. What more do you guys want from a system that's, look, whether this is a daily setup, 15-minute, 1 second, 15-second, but the dailies are so hard to move. There's no way this thing wasn't going to do. Look, logo came over, came up, came back down, retraced. There's our buy stop. I mean, what? I don't understand how some people, I can't see it. Look, this is a perfection one. Take a picture. Here it is. Even if you don't have the sniper, standalone system, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. If you have the sniper, blue line low, cross, logo at form, look at it. How can you guys not see this? Why didn't you buy it? Dumbass. How do you know I'm not in Bitcoin? I just told you I was. People are so fucking negative. System works flawlessly. Even through all these lines, these are all your correct signals that have been sent out, which you're looking at right here. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You can see it through all these signals. Look at it. Crazy. Anywho, that's Bitcoin. That's Ethereum. Let's go on to XRP. Little old XRP. I love me. Oh, we're finally out of the 51 and 52 cents range. You go, little XRP. Let's see. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. You're a little late. It was a 15-minute buy stop right here. It was a 15-minute buy stop right here. Look at the exact thing. Watch this. Okay, you guys are starting to look. Blue line low, pink crosses it, buy stop. Blue line low, pink crosses it, buy stop. Up she goes. Let's take a look at this exact setup. Let me show you, because some of you have real bad whatever you want to call it. You can't see things clearly. ADD, it's worse than me. Look, right here inside of that thing. Take a picture of it. This is exactly that. This is exactly that. You know what else it is? It's exactly the same thing on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin daily. Let's take a look. It's exactly that. Look, there she blows. Pink crossing the blue, green, 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 red, green, green. It's the exact same thing as Ethereum. Life of Ethereum. Ethereum daily. Pink crosses the blue, green, 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 red, green, green. We're on XRP, but instead of being daily with it, we're on the 15-minute with it. There it is. Pink cross the blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. It doesn't matter. The pattern that forms over and over again is the repeating pattern. There's a reason why none of the professional, quote unquote, which whatever that means, the professional traders, the professional debunkers don't come on this channel. I've been on this channel and live on YouTube for over a year and a half, TikTok for 2 years, live with you guys doing this, and not one debunker can come in here and say anything, because this pattern that forms every time on any time period always goes up. Now, do we misinterpret it live and then bullets are flying? Whatever, yes. Is the system flawless 100%? Yes. It's non-repainting. I just, who wants to come on here? Even haters, I don't care. Call in and explain how this pattern doesn't go up every single time on any time frame. Anybody want to call in? Do it now. It's not even working properly. I'll just hold my phone up to the fucking microphone for you. Go ahead. Looks like they do. Bob, good morning, Bob. And thank you for always being a positive force in the Discord. Good morning, Mike Snyder. God bless you, everyone. God bless you, Shash. Good morning, Shash. Good morning, T-Mark. Good morning. I like that too, Tony. Good morning, Dr. McCain. Good morning, Japan. Wow, that's it. 10 hours? Oh yeah. When I'm developing the sniper, I was working 10, 15, 20-hour days every day for nearly 6 months to develop this blue line. To develop this blue and pink line right here. I was working 8, 10, 15, 20-hour days for over 6 months to develop this one indicator. Well, it's a combination indicator. You should hear the weirdest guesses I get on this. No one can get it. But this alone took me 6 months to make your signal service that you guys are currently a perfect, I don't know, 17 out of 17 or 18 out of 18, just perfect. Took well over 6 months to develop. I don't stop. Well, I might stop now that we're perfected the and by the way, yesterday we only perfected the buy stops on the Holy Grail trade, HGT. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. So yeah, in case anyone thinks that this shit just flies out magically and gets coded, they're insane. Yeah. You know how long it took for the system to be developed? Almost a year and a half. Well, 5.5 years technically of losing for this part. Green, 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 red, green, green, the blue line, and all this shit to be developed. Yep. So yeah, that's how long this is. Over 6 months of development. In case you ever see anything, I'm always testing something to see if I can help you guys with something else better to see it clearer. No, Lewis, this trade. I'm showing you. All right, Lewis, let's take a look. Sorry, maybe you're late to the party. You should watch a whole bunch of my videos. What you're looking right here is daily Bitcoin. Daily Bitcoin. Every one of these candles, in case he might not be familiar, I don't know what that means. That's what his question's asking. Daily Bitcoin means that this is each candle that you see, each one of these little red histogram lines, right? Or these little candles up here is a day. So the same thing that you're looking at right here works on daily charts. It works on weekly charts. It works on monthly charts. The exact same thing. By the way, Bitcoin and Ethereum are always the same. There's Ethereum, same thing. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. It didn't drop as low on the blue line as Bitcoin, but you trade them both the same, so it doesn't matter. Same exact pattern. Nice. Thank you, Jan, for speaking up. All time frames of the enterprise system change your license next. I agree with that, Nasty Nate. Good morning, Mike. So again, works on any time frame down to the 1 second. We're looking at it daily. We can go down to the 1 second, and you can see the very, that's the sell stop it's called. Look, this is the opposite, sell stop. Red, green, red, pink through the thing, and down it went on a 1 second chart. Oh, and here's another graphic for him. Watch this one. Stick around for 1 second. Watch this. This is a scanner. I love when people see the scanner for the first time. Their eyes just go, holy mother. Let's take a look at our scanner. Scanner. Watch. These are the time frames it trades on. All 8 time frames of all indices. Here you go. All Forex, all crypto. This is a scanner. It has rules. Our system has rules. This scanner trades better than 99% of everyone watching this broadcast right now. Look at it. 15-minute XAUR, so that's a gold euro. 15-minute buy formed. 1 minute sell. It trades all 8 time frames on this on MetaTrader 4. It works. It goes exactly tit for tat over to TradingView. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. It trades all Forex pairs, majors, and crosses, all of them, all at the same time. It's trading all crypto, all of them, all the major, Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, Solana, all at the same time. Look at it. Yeah, you can go wrong if you don't study it. Learn the system. You sure can go wrong. Try to combine it with other systems. Don't follow your rules and make up your own fucking rules. Yeah, you can go wrong. Also trades all stocks. They're just closed today. Well, right now. All of them. Oh, 55 different stocks, I should say. All the major ones. And there you go. All 8 time frames. So that's what we're trading. And that's what it works on. And it even works on the 30-second, 15-second trades also. Oh, yeah, I'm honest. Brutally honest. Some people can't take the honesty. He's yelling at me today. Yeah. If you don't like the way I trade or my honesty, then get the fuck out. I can care less. XRP, let's hit it. All right, XRP, we'll finish up. Sorry, I get sidetracked. 1 minute buy, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. I mean, you already should have been in this trade. Okay, that looks nice. 30 minute, 1 hour. No, 1 hour, 4 hour daily buy. Daily sell stop. Sorry, not buy. Daily sell stop XRP. Weekly sell stop XRP. Monthly buy stop XRP. Love the monthly. Been recommending it since it was 31 cents. Amazon. What do we got for Amazon when it opens tomorrow? 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. Amazon forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Yep. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Amazon. Love that one. Been recommending Amazon since like $90 a share, 92, 91, something around there. US oil, 1 minute. Good morning, Shannon Ivory. He's a hard ass. I don't know about all that. All right. 1 minute. Sell stop. What is this? Oil. US and UK oil. They're both the exact same thing. Ricochet. 1 minute sell to the 5 minute blue line on a ricochet if it hadn't already hit it. My thing isn't live right this second. 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour? US oil, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop to the 4 hour blue line. Daily sell stop to the blue line. Weekly buy stop. And that's all you need to know on US oil. All right, let's go back to our 3. I shorted Ethereum last night and got liquidated. Hey, I'm so sorry to hear that, Jason. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. Morning, Shannon Ivory again. Jason Tyson, I shorted Ethereum. Let's see, he said last night. That's too bad. All right, let's take a look overnight here for him. Ooh. No, you wouldn't have shorted it. I don't know why. You shouldn't have had that bad. Well, I don't know what he went in at. It was a 15-minute. Well, here, I'll show him. Well, here, let's go over here. We can go over here. Ethereum and Bitcoin is the same. Let's go like a 1 hour probably is what he was. I don't know what time your trade was, but I hope to God you didn't get in any time around here in these parts. This is what they do. They sucker 99% of all retail traders into believing this is going to keep going down, when in reality it was just forming a buy stop. Everyone here, every one of my members could have told you this was a buy stop. Yowza, that would hurt. I'm so sorry. I don't know. Watch me trade for a week or two or whatever, and then maybe look into getting the system so you can learn to avoid that. Yowza, that is definitely not. See all this green right here? Green means up in our business. You see all that? Green, 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 green. It's like a sea of green. Look at it. Green, green, going back forever. Wow. Yeah, now geez. All it does is go down, regroup, go down, reform our logo, go back up, reform our logo, go back up. So sorry you got stuck in that, but that definitely, wow. Now, not say, of course, short term it'll go down, but you're talking months. Well, hold on, let's go to 4 hours so we don't exaggerate. We're talking, this has been a buy stop for the current buy stop for Ethereum. Started here on February the 7th. So, I don't know. Bad timing on your part to short a position on that. I apologize. Sorry it happened to you. Oh, well, you'll do better. I lost for 5.5 years, $26,500. Just keep on going until you figure it out. IBS called bullshit. Shannon. All right. I'm going to go ahead and teach you all how to. Hold on one second. I do want to see one thing. Give me just a second here. 1 minute sells. 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell. Let me see the 15-minute low, 30-minute low, 1 hour low, 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Yeah, that, I'm going to stick with that. So we're good. 1 minute sells, 1 hour buys, all three indices. Okay, back to where I was. Who would short? If you don't have the system, a lot of people would short it. Keep at it. It'll click. I'm a Marine. I get it. Nice, JTF6. Awesome. Oh, I got you, Shannon. Yes. All right. Da, 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 da. All right. So let's take a look at exactly how we do this trading here. Step by step, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do so you never have to get stuck in a short when it was a buy. It happens to the best of us. I used to lose every freaking, literally for 5 years or so, 5+ years, I'd place a trade. As soon as I placed the trade went exactly against me. And then you think you get smart and do an opposite trade. Well, I'm going to think it's going to go positive, and I would do, and I'd lose again. Every so often I'd get one right. When I got one right, I decided to say, hey, how did I get that right? Like, got lucky? Was there something I looked at? And I started using hundreds and hundreds. I believe I even got up to over 1,000 different indicators I bought / used, tried, and none of them worked. And I got super excited when one of them would like pretend to work. and a little arrow would pop up or something, and then it would repaint. Not retrace, repaint, meaning it would just change positions on its own. I'm like, what the fuck? So zero of my indicators will ever repaint. My system does not repaint. My system is exactly the same now as it will be 6 months later when you go back to look at it. Zero revisionist history going on. Zero repainting. Okay, so how do you become one with the market? That's funny. You follow the rules. These rules are updated, tweaked regularly. This is the first time I came out with new rules in 10 months. It was 4/15 of last year, the first major rules I came out with. It was 2/15 this year before I changed them, updated them. Check this type form when you get it after purchase. You'll see I do live training every other Mondays at 1 o'clock p.m. and continuing ed or advanced trading at 2:15 p.m. Review daily. It's 2 steps to trading. There's a lot of rules, but there's only 2 steps to it. Step 1, for you beginners, you're going to use all 3 indices. We use US 30, SPX, and NAS 1-hour charts. You go to the 1-hour charts, and I strongly recommend you get one of our add-ons. I can't force you to do it, no matter how many people out there are ignorant thinking you can. Personally, I would sell anything I could and spend $150 a month to get the sniper. It's that good. Tells you what to look for. The very first time it happens the best. And then how to spot the logo. So on the 1 hour, we do just 2 things. Let's go to the 1-hour charts and see what's going on. Let me block this out for you so no one gets confused with what you're looking at. The system was made for beginners. Doesn't mean it's super easy, but it does mean it's very easy. Sure, why not? All right. So our 1 hours, I see a blue line low, pink line high. Let's see what happens on NAS. Same thing. What happens on SPX? Same thing. So that's all. Now, what do we see as far as a logo goes? See, watch. Our logo forms up. Doop, doop, doop. Right? So that's our up logo. I'll show you what it looks like. And then our logo right here is come from high position down like this. So this can't be a buy stop logo yet on a 15. The only thing it can be is a sell, at least short term. It's not going to be long term. But that's what it looks like, right, for the 1 hour. Plain and simple. Exact same one for SPX. Exact same one for NAS. Little different on US 30, but similar. So that's what it looks like. Now watch. When you go up to the 4 hour, what do you see? This logo on the 4 hour, watch, is still, for US 30, is still forming a buy stop. Henceforth, why we're calling right there a 1 hour, 4 hour buy. NAS, and there's SPX. So the same thing. So you can clearly see that on SPX and US 30, we're forming another 4 hour buy stop, just like it did. Look at this. I made it paint by numbers. I made this shit so simple that anyone beginning can say, hey, this, which was the same thing as the Bitcoin, by the way, just so we're clear. Look, Bitcoin daily, Ethereum daily, it's the same thing. Look, here it is again on the same pair. Look, blue line cross, green, 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 red, green. It's just patterns that repeat over and over again. Buy it went up, buy it went up. That's SPX. Surely NAS, oh, yep, NAS did it here. NAS did it here. The same exact pattern. Whatever. Here's US 30. Gee, Just happened, just went up. Here we go again. Let's take a look. Let's go over to Bitcoin and go to daily and show you the exact same pattern. Look, surely Ethereum didn't do it. Oh, but it did. Here it is on Ethereum. How many people are silly? They're like in denial. But again, there is, not so good for Ethereum right at this point. Daily, let's see a weekly maybe. Oh, I see one forming. Then they're going to be, I don't know why Ethereum went up. I don't know why. No one saw this coming. Oh, no one can predict Bitcoin's price. No one. Fill in the gap, buy, stop, Bitcoin month, weekly, daily, buy, stop, Bitcoin, 4 hour. Look how many times it happened. Bitcoin, buy, stop, 4 hour. No one can see this. No one can see Bitcoin's true price of what it's going to do before it happens. Oh, well, 1 hour, buy, stop, Bitcoin. 1 hour, buy, stop, Bitcoin. Broken Bach, buy, stop, Bitcoin, by the way, right there. Even better. No one, except for my system, my indicators, which are actually trademarked, patent pending. So I guess there might be someone out there calling this shit. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning. He's a gentleman that has our cool little logo in the bottom left, changing colors. So yeah. So again, let's go back to exactly how we find this, how easy it is. We look at the 1 hour chart, and then we go back over and we look at step 2, which is the 15-minute. It takes all of a minute or two to review your charts. So all you do is look at the 1 hour. What do I see? Let's go over and check it out. Inside of here, I see a buy stop forming. Green, 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 red, green, green. I see this is low. So I go to SPX. There's really nothing I can do. It's the same setup for NAS, same setup for US 30. That's it. So from here, you're right. I would never take financial advice from this bozo. 100% correct. I'm a bozo, Poland's Garden, and you're absolutely 100 banned for life for my thing. But you're right. I'm a bozo. So watch. US 30, blue line is low. So we're going to go up until we see this blue line change position. So the 1 hour isn't it. The 4 hour isn't it. Sure looks like a mighty strong daily buy stop, US 30. Daily buy stop, NAS. Daily buy stop, SPX. Personally, it still needs to hook back down a little bit for me to be more comfortable with SPX and NAS, but it is what it is. Please do not ever take advice. Mike, quit repeating yourself or you're going to get blocked and banned from the channel. Just stop. Yeah, please do not take advice from this bozo. These are my last results. Please do not take advice from me. These are my last 30 trades. Please do not take advice from me. $733, $12,928, minus $2,000, plus $700, plus $800, plus $1,800, plus $14,000, plus $137, minus $1,600. Yeah, don't take advice from me, Poland's Garden. Please don't take advice to me. Minus 1,600, plus 100, plus 200, plus 78, plus 3,400, plus 488, plus 9,000, plus 2,000, plus 1,900, plus 4,000, plus 8,700, plus 1,600, plus 4,000, plus 4,000, plus 300, plus 600, plus 600, plus 800, plus 900. And that's just from February the 2nd till current. So that's about 2 weeks worth of work. Definitely never take advice from me, ever. So there you go. Please don't take advice from this bozo. Please do not take advice from me ever. I'm a bozo. I'm not a financial analyst. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm just a social media influencer on here trying to help you guys make some demo money. Please do not take advice from me, except for the 1 minute sell stop that's in the money right now at SPX. Please don't take advice from me, except for the NAS 1 minute sell stop that I called out that's in the money for you. Please don't take any advice from me. I just got lucky on these three to go down on the 1 minute. That's all. Pure luck with all those other calls I made. You're right. Don't take advice. Thank you, T. Mark. What's up, James Cochran? Good morning. I take offense to that, Nasty Nate, but you're correct. Literally one of the best systems made. No, it is the best system made. Hands down. Nothing is better. There is nothing. There is nothing. Everyone that leaves says, oh, it doesn't work, and I don't know what to do, and it's terrible. They all come back and realize that the safety trade system is flawless. Your interpretation of it, my interpretation of it, we might miss a trade here or there, but the system itself is 100% accurate 100% of the time. What's up, Ken Rose? Thank you, Japan. Thank you, JTF6. Thank you, Nasty Nate, for speaking up. Thank you, Ken, for speaking up. What is bozo? A bozo means like silly, like a clown, is what he's trying to say. Thank you, Nasty Nate. Thank you, Shannon. See, now you guys can speak up on my behalf. Any of the haters, though, you know, why doesn't he just call in? Why doesn't he call in and disprove the system? Why hasn't any one of the haters or any one of the professional traders called in to disprove the system? It's always open mic. The little voice thingy isn't working. It's good. I'll just hold the phone up. But I always have 100%. Anytime someone wants to come in and say, well, this isn't a sell stop or this isn't a buy stop, feel free. And that they find an exception, feel free. Call in. They scared, says Rinky. Yeah, because they have nothing to stand on. All they can stand on is outdated, useless information from their old ways of trading that they're trying to hold on to, that they're literally desperate to hold on to. And they literally are trying to hold on to Fibonacci, things that have failed them. 99% of the trades that they have ever taken has failed them. And you know what? They don't care. They still hold on to it. They still hold on to it. You must unlearn all of the silliness that you thought was correct. You cannot. I had a guy one time trying to tell me that Fibonacci retracements work with my system. I told him, leave. Get the fuck out of here. It does not work with my system. I tried Fibonacci retracements for over a year and a half on NAS and ERUSD, trying to make money, trying to make it work. And then I found out the damn shit came from fucking shell patterns of nature, which is beautiful. But Fibonacci has nothing to do with financial trading. Like, people are so weird. They'll grasp at straws. They'll try to say, oh, there's head and shoulders. There's a head and shoulder pattern here. Well, what the fuck happens when you change this shit over to pick one? Pick one. Anything else? What happens when your price isn't a candle anymore? How can you name a candle pattern when it's a fucking bars? How do you name it a candle pattern when it's not even just bars? What if you change it into columns? How do you name it a candle pattern when there is no fucking thing as Renko bars? How do you name a candle pattern when you look at it and you say that there's Kenji? I don't even know what the fuck this shit is. There is no such thing as candle patterns. Zero. You can't say that there's an evening star and a morning star and it's price action, and they name it the weirdest fucking shit. I never fell for that though, thank God. Bullshit, there's anything called that. There is nothing that we have been taught as traders that works more than 1% of the time. Don't believe me? Google it. If you think volume or VWAP works, you are wrong 99% of the time. How do I know? Type it into Google. This is a quote from the first search. Do less than 1% of the retail traders make money. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. That's not me saying it. That's Google search return. There it is. So these rules I'm teaching you are crushing people's belief systems that somehow support and resistant works. That somehow 3 steps up, 4 steps down, look to the left, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges work. People are clown world we live in. Everybody knows it doesn't work. 99% of all retail traders fade, and more importantly, 34% of all quote-unquote professionals fail in their lifetime. Only 64% make the correct trade, and they only make 10 pips in a day. And they're thrilled if they get to 10 pips in a day. My signals, I don't even count a correct signal unless we double that, 20 pips. On an automatic signal call, we're 100%, a 17 out of 17, 18 out of 18. I don't know, whatever it is. But it's a 100% win rate so far. Give me a break. It's so weird to me. So weird to me that people hang on to losing stuff so hard. They hang on to this shit like it's their best friend going to die over a side of a mountain if you don't hold on to him like Simba. Oh, I'm going to hang on, and I'm going to believe in this. I'm going to believe in block trading. I'm going to believe in volume and VWAP. Oh, Kev knows all that? Yeah, Kev was taught all the same shit, loser shit you guys were taught. I had to go through all of my $26,500 plus, lose it over 5 years. I had to do that because I was stubborn. I had to use real money. Look. None of it works. You can't combine my system with RSI. You can't combine my system with VWAP. You can't make up your own rules to my system. I teach you the rules every day. Follow it. People are so weird. Oh, I'm going to make my own up. I'm going to go 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 second, 30 second, 20 second. What the fuck? You just follow the fucking rules. People, sometimes I can help you all, and then some mornings I get so, wow. Wow. Oh, don't, yeah, he can see this. Okay, they work all right by turning my insurance blurs. This is never going through it. They taught you what to look for so you can predict what you do. What's up, Truth? Good morning, everybody, again. Sometimes I let the ignorance of the way trading was. It's so, because what you guys are learning right now will be taught at colleges and universities, probably high schools throughout the nation. It absolutely will. In my humble opinion, it will. Correct, Bruce Jackson. That is correct. You're saying what the farm don't know what he will eat. Oh, interesting, Jan. I'm not familiar with that saying, but gotcha. So these are the rules. Follow them step by step by step. Because you know what happens if you follow these rules? Look, these rules are coded. Why would they teach it? But again, I don't want people to make money. No, I agree. But they have to stop teaching support and resistance. They have to. They have to. This is what happens when you follow the rules. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 signals are 100% accurate. The gold room that was open up last week, 2 trades, or 3, I don't even know where we're at. 2 trades for sure. And the gold rooms, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, free add-on to all of you that were in Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. But the gold is the free add-on. So far, we have 100% win rate in Tier 1 signals, 100% win rate in gold. I don't know if we're like 17 for 17 or 18 for 18 so far. Haven't had one in a while, but good news on this. If you follow the rules, you will have just the same. We have the rules coded in to our signals. We have so it takes out all the emotion, all your silliness, all the maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. Oh, maybe I should use, candle glow alpha algorithm with this. Who knows the shit they make up? These signals are methodic. These signals are nothing but code. Matter of fact, they're getting a tweak as we go, even though 100%. And then we're releasing, by the way, later this week, EUR USD will be released this week. GBP JPY should be released this week. US oil should be released this week. Huh? We also, following week, probably by the end of the month, I'm hoping, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP will be added to this. All released, all for free. All for free. Oh, but you already built in XRP and I didn't even know we were going to do XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So the fuck it was built in. These are free because Bree and I care about you, and Keith is a master coder. That's why they're free. So ERUSD will be, so in other words, you'll start getting more and more signals and not waiting on Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, or gold, because then you'll have ERUSD. Then you'll have GBJPY. And then you'll have oil all firing also. So you should start to get more and more signals each month. But they're only going to be 100% accurate signals. Or my goal is to be 80% or higher on a win rate. Or I'll either tweak it or I'll close it down. Right now we're at 100% win rate, like it's 17 out of 17 or whatever it is, 18 out of 18 for these rooms. So we're doing pretty good. And that's when you follow the rules to the T and don't fuck around from them. 100% win rate. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, and gold. Sevens, if you all understand, we're going to be enacting ERUSD, GBP, JPY, US oil by the end of the week. And it's all free added into your, if you're paying $150 a month for Tier 1, you're getting 5 signals, which me and Bree doubled for this past 2 months, which will probably stop next month to 10. Tier 2, you're getting 10 signals, not just for Tier 2, you're getting 10 signals for gold on top of that, 10 signals for ERUS on top of that, 10 signals for GBP on top of that, 10 signals for US oil on top of that. Anyone on TikTok? Thank you guys on YouTube for speaking up. So yeah, It's coming. I told you it was, and here it is. Oh, but you said you're going to update. You said you're going to update. Hold on. TikTok went. Why does TikTok do that? They said I was inactive. All right. But you said you were going to update the H&H scanner. Code still being written. It takes time. Oh, you're saying the Holy Grail trade, the trade that nearly never misses, is coming up in a month. Nope, never said it. 3 to 4 months, give or take a month. Me and Keith again worked 10 hours yesterday, 12 hours yesterday. I did 10, 12 hours yesterday, and then some, right? And then over the weekend, so it was about 20, whatever it was, getting the Holy Grail buy stops perfected. And we still have to do the sell stops. Yes, it's making the correct signal calls, but it has to make the correct signal calls every month, every time, everyone. It has to. At least needs to be at a 95% win rate, or I'm not allowing Holy Grail trade to be released. It takes time. Oh, you're dangling over the heads of the people. Some dumbass hater from Jersey. Moron boy. Types in all caps. Clown world we live in. No, the Holy Grail trade isn't some supposed trade. It is coming. It's being perfected as you speak. There's technical issues about the 6 symbols, if they're open at certain times. Some are, some aren't. Some are EFT, some are actual stocks, some are some Forex pairs. It's just tough getting them all integrated into one call. But Keith is doing it. We have it completely perfected for the US, for the 1 hour trades for buy stops. We end the 15-minute. We have to perfect it now for the sell stops. So again, it's coming. The H&H scanner is coming. Just because it isn't here yet doesn't mean anything. We're trying to get these signals out to you guys so you guys can all start making some money while you're waiting for other things, while you're learning things. $150 a month, 5 signals, 100% win rate. Does anyone know anything about trading out there in the real world? Any of you listening to what I just said? 5 for 5. And actually, your 10 for 10 we gave you, me and Bree gave it to you for free. Signals, win rate. What's up, Ray? What's up, Builder Boss? What's up, Limo? Gold, blue line, baby. 1 minute sell stop, 2,000. Nice. We should look at it. So if anyone thinks to get 5 100% correct signals in a month for $150 is too much, please leave my channel. Please don't be here. I would have given $1,000 a month. Back in the day, I'm thinking I'd have given probably $5,000 a month to get 5 correct 100% signals. I used to subscribe to a signal service. Actually, I paid over $1,000 a month. And they were right, if they're lucky, like 30, 40, 50% of the time. They were never right. And of course, everyone I picked was the wrong. US 30s over the 1 minute blue line. Okay. So anywho, follow the rules that I go over nearly every day on a full session with you every day, and you can be like the signal service. Let's take a look at gold, by the way. All right. You said what? 1 minute? Dun, 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 dun. Blue face baby. What? I don't see that. US 30 is over its 1 minute blue line. Let's skip that and go over to here. Dun, dun. 1 minute buy stop back to the blue line ricochet. US 30. Okay. Liquidity thing, right? That's why it looks like that on the 1 minute. Yes, Nate, it's a unicorn, correct. Rayshawn, what's up, Rayshawn? Good morning, Italian Frankie. Love the name. All right. I don't know. 2 other add-ons. Sniper, pink, blue lines down there. Already talked about things so much. Already talked about scanner rooms. They're all optional add-ons. You don't have to get them. System is obviously calling a buy stop right now on a 5 minute. What's up? What's shaking, Rayshawn? If you're doing great with the system, please support it. Listen to those words. Oh, they don't owe you anything. Nope. I don't know who the fuck these people are except for Mike Lewinsky and my brother, Mike Grego. Or Michelle Lewinsky used to come on too. I don't know anybody else that's out there. Never met any of these people, including Keith, although that'll change soon. But in real life, none of you owe me shit. But you do owe the system something. If the system is making you money, continue your sniper subscription. If the system is continually doing good for you and making you money, you do owe the system. You owe it to go ahead and buy the scanner each month, even if you don't use it. You support what you believe in. You put your money where your mouth is. Oh, I made enough money that I retired this. I was able to help my wife not have to work. I was able to help my husband not have to work anymore. And then you cancel the sniper? Then you cancel the scanner? If you're doing great with the system, listen to the words. Not if you're doing badly. If you're doing badly with the system, then don't support it at all. If you're doing badly with the system, then don't want your fucking money. Can I be any clearer? If you're doing badly with the system, don't support the system. There's a reason why every month we get more and more people in the scanner, more and more people in the signal room, more and more people buying the sniper, because it works. It helps people. So if you're doing well, you do owe it to the system to support it. You do. Plain and simple. If you don't agree with me, then leave. Again, I'm not here to make friends with you. I'm here to help you make demo money on a consistent basis through trading. We have solved the problem of trading, of consistently making money with trading. We've solved it. Some of you are coming up for renewals. By some, I mean hundreds of you. If you want to renew, just head over to our website. That's all. Buy the system for $575. We literally have people. We had a person yesterday write in and say, oh, I love your system so much. I'm doing so good with it. Can you give me a discount on the... No, fuck no, hell no, fucking hell no. Go fuck yourself, hell no. There's no discounts given. Don't ask. Brings us up to the other point. We are senior Stan ambassadors. It's like we're senior ambassadors for Shopify. They love our stores. We have 3 of them. We make a lot of money through our stores. How you're going to master the program is teaching it to 10 people, 5 to 10 people. $219. That's today, 3:30 p.m. Woohoo! Better make sure I'm Brett. All right. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? I mean, how much more clearer can you make us? Look at this. I just want you all to be serious now. Okay. Buy stop, but buy stop to the blue line ricochet. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, broken Bach. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. You're looking at it in front of your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times it's calling for a 5-minute buy stop. And 8 times it goes up in front of your eyes. Now you prefer to stick with the blue ones right here, the snipers for your entries. But nonetheless, if you can't see a sea of green and that it's going up, what are you looking at? Red means down, green means up. Gee, I don't know. I don't know. Is there a lot of green there too? I don't know. People, then they'll fight. I don't see it. I don't see this, if anything. Yeah, I don't. There isn't a sea of green here on US 30. It's not all green here on SPX. Whatever. Lord help us in this world. Okay. I don't know. I think we're covered. Would anybody like me to go over anything else with them this morning? Any positive comments anybody has? Any negative comments anybody has? Anybody new here that would like some help? Well, about beginning the system, I can help you. I think we have advanced training at 2:15. I don't know if we do today or if it's next Monday. I think we do. I don't know. I should get that schedule in front of me. It's every other week. TikTokers, any questions? YouTubers, any questions? Any comments? See, when we get one, I swear, it's like one hate mail out of every 6 months, maybe. And we get fucking hundreds of testimonials either in the Discord or through email pretty much every week. But it's the one hate mail that when they're cowards, they don't put their real name up, they don't use their real email address, and then they talk all tough. So why don't you call in right now if you're a hater? Why don't you call in right now if you love the system? Feel free. It has to be American though. I don't have any time to be using WhatsApp and all that shit. I ain't doing it. I just renewed. I'm up over 14,000 this month. Nice, Peter P. Thank God. And don't change a thing. Wild and crazy guy confirming the buy stop they teach for the BS teach for the real deal. Oh, that's funny. Congratulations, Peter, for renewing. And not even charging what he absolutely could. Absolutely. If you guys think $50 a month for a scanner is a lot of money in this business, there's a bunch of people who are completely not doing nice to people. All right, TikTokers, I'm going to go over to YouTube for a quick minute. See you guys. Have a great morning. Enjoy yourselves. God bless. Probably see you later this evening, much later this evening, somewhere around 8 or 9 this evening, Lord willing. YouTube, I can talk freely over here. Not charging anything. Oh, not changing anything again and again. Yeah, please, Peter, don't change a damn thing. Just continue to do what you're doing. What happens is people get real comfortable and they think they can start winging things and ad-libbing things. It happens to everybody, nearly everybody. And then they start making losing trades. Then they go, well, what was I doing to make all this money in the first place? Then they try to go back to it and so on and so forth, you know, that kind of thing. But Peter figured it out once. He figured it out again. Congratulations, Peter. All right, standing O for Peter, standing O for Shannon. I'm going to go ahead and go. It is going to be probably a slow open. I don't know. I doubt there's any news today being a holiday and all. But, you know, to put it this way, it's not exactly a bad day to trade. It's just not going to move like 200 pips in a second, which is good for our purposes. Nice and slow and steady. Don't forget to record your sessions, by the way. All right. I'm going to go do my Wim Hof breathing. I'm going to go ahead and do some sprint work. I'm going to go ahead and do some morning light work. I'm going to go ahead and do my red light therapy, inversion, mini tramp, weight lift. And I am fasting today, dry fasting today and tomorrow, but I am not anything. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm sure as fuck not a health advisor, a doctor, or any professional like that. I'm just telling you what I do. So I'm going to dry fast today. Tomorrow I'll continue to dry fast and then drink water, break it at the 48-hour mark. And then I water fast for Tuesday, and then I'll break my fast Wednesday. So it's about either 2 or 3 days every week I try to fast. Just me. Don't ask. Just what I do. I do believe it all helps me become a better trader, keeps my mind clear and sharp, and I just think it helps. Don't forget, I thank God. I did this morning when I got up. I'm walking on a treadmill as I talk to you guys for 78 minutes, 7,400 steps. I'll do it again this evening. I'll probably end up a little longer this evening. I'll probably end up with around 20,000 steps today. You could thank Mike Galinsky to get me back on the cardio track. What else? That's about it. We called out our little cells. And then little cells. And then our little buys. And I would just stick with those. Bye, Shannon. Bye, Nasty Nate. Correct, Shannon, following the rules. Thank you, Jan. All right, guys. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day. Lord willing, see you all this evening. God bless. That was a nice, easy morning. Yay.